Now on the lumbar region and from the tailbone, this is the tailbone region, right? Generally this area, if you have a tailbone inflammation or swelling and pain, so this area will be inflamed. So at the inflammation area, in the inflammation region, you do not have to press, you do not have to rub, you just have to use a Bowen technique. So what is Bowen technique? You just see with both thumb. For example, this is the spine, okay? So beside the spine you have to keep both your thumbs like this, and you have to do it like this, up, down, and then stretch, up, down, stretch, up, down, stretch. Not on the tailbone, but where there is swelling, you have to leave that area, and from a little bit upper side you have to do this Bowen stimulation. So once you do the Bowen stimulation, the circulation will improve and you will reach up to the infected or affected area, inflammation region. This Bowen technique is very, very useful for any kind of injuries, inflammation, pain, subsiding pain. After this, you have to use your this region and exactly just above the swelling region. For example, the pain is here at the exact tailbone region, so you have to leave that much area, and a little bit above put this your hand, press and go upwards like this, and from here you have to stretch downwards both the side. You have to do this 3 times. Again, put your hand like this, press, rub and go upwards, and then just don't leave your hand, with the help of both the hands, stretch and go towards this region, downside. So this point, this treatment will give immediate effect and immediate relief in tailbone swelling, tailbone pain, as well as the lumbar region also. Like if you have a pain and swelling in L4, L5, so you can do Bowen technique first, and then you do this and just stretch this, so this pain will be subside immediately, right?